T&T7 page 23 question 17 part 1. Find the inverse function of each of the following by completing the square. So the function, the f of x, is equal to x squared plus 4x minus 6. X is greater than or equal to minus 2. So that implies that y is equal to x squared plus 4x minus 6. First thing I like to do is put a bracket before the x squared, move the minus 6 out and put a bracket before that, like this. And then what we do is we apply the formula b over 2 squared. 4 is our b, putting over 2 is 2, and squared gives us 4. So we put a plus 4 in here and a minus 4 here. Next we find the factors of what's in between the brackets. So we have x squared plus 4x plus 4. So what we're looking for is the factors of 4, once added, give us 4. So the factors of 4 are 1 and 4, so 1 and 4 is 5, 2 and 2, 2 and 2 is 4. So our factors then of x squared plus 4x plus 4 is x plus 2 squared. Minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. Next thing we start to do is move everything over to the left hand side of the equal sign. Moving our 10 over gives us y plus 10 equals x plus 2 squared. Moving the squared over, it becomes a square root. So we get the square root of y plus 10 equals x plus 2. Now we can move the 2 over, so that becomes a negative 2. Always position it before the square root part, because if you position it afterwards, sometimes it can look as if it's under the square root. So for here we have minus 2 plus the square root of y plus 10 equals x. So that means that the inverse is equal to minus 2 plus the square root of x plus 10. Basically what we do is change the y to an x and put the f minus 1 of x.